Kublai phi baro kiniglong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umantri ka sarkar Meghalaya bat MLE ka South Shillong Bah Sanbor shulai hai kasni rakhi ka lingko snem ka ban rupau jangu ulabu ikimau nongrim jong sunfly Tylli ki project nroi ki ba kot shakan rup san klur sau pusan lang khan nyo hajar arspa khatlai na ka benta ka South Shillong constituency. Ya gani ka jingelang lapelong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Hai ka jingedon lang kinong shong shnong kinong yalam shnong kinong kershan baki officer jungitnan bapher ka sarkar Meghalaya. Karkum ka jing batay ka blapen ipat ba ha ka tegasni kini ki project ki kanthop ya ka jingte ki jaka penne pensa ya ka culture ki surok ki nala ki jaka ya lekai ki jingte ha po sor ki kam ki be dai bar ki tilong bar kar kompanya ya ki jabo jaban. Kini ki project in trailing bakatanat arts and culture, urban affairs, sports and youth affairs, water resources, but public works department. Ringkat ke Shillong Municipal Board but Shillong Cantonment Board nap deng ki project ki ba kongsan namang arpon san klur tingka bante ka cultural center hakin jat football. But arpon lai klur tingka ya ka cultural center hadorbar madan naban. Lamang rumar arpon san folklore tingka ya artli ki jingtray hapo ka special urban works program. Shu lamang kumba khandai phulai pon lai lak tingka bante ya ka aqueduct drainage system. Nadu hajan ka yeng ka kong arnong klau hadu hajan ka lumparing Nepali school hamin san new colony. Habakren haga jingelang uba Sanbor ula aingu ya ublay try kan ubla kirku bat yalam ya uling bakin rubos nem ga jingim ula pen pauru ya ga jing songo ya ki pat ba ka South Shillong ki bala beteng ban shanya id bat kershan yu. Rai khublay ru ya ki officer bat nong tray jungit nat sarkar bapher ki blay tray lang haga ba penyo bat pen ulong ya ki project pen roy. Uba Sanbor lo ong ba ga jing rakhi ya ga diamond jubilee jung ga jingim da ga ba wanra ya ki project ki ba mentoy ya ki pat ba kala pelong ya gani gasngi ka bakham kerpang badan jingmon. Ula pen scam ru ya jing kular ban beteng ya jing shakri bat ban ya trilang bat ki pai ba lem bat kitna sarkar khnang ban pen ulong ya jing ban kam badan step oi haba ho ka we ka South Shillong constituency.
Applause.
That we have received from various departments for a total amount of 65 crore 45 lakh 17,230. These projects comprises of new PWD link road, motorable link road, aqueduct drainage system, where you have seen with your naked eyes what is going on both in municipal area and in the cantonment area. Then we have cultural center or the community hall, the Dorbar Hall. Then this bituminous block topping of existing PWD roads. Then we have project in 3 playground, 2 within municipal area, that is the Manalaman Sports and Cultural Club playground at Manalaman. Then recently we have got also a sanction for another football ground, a standard ground at Kidijat Football, Riyadh Laban, land provided by it's a community land recommended by the Dorbarshno, that Riyadh Laban. I'm very happy to inform you in the entire cantonment area, after losing the garrison ground, after for when we are young, you remember we used to play there like Edward, my friend. We are born and brought up together. We play together. I have told you we study together in the same school. So since the defense authority, they have fully fenced the garrison ground, so it has become an restricted playground. Of course, when I tried my best when I have joined the BGP 2013, as a party, we went to meet Srimati Sitharaman Ji, the then defense minister. So she have passed order to send her the report. Then after sometimes, then we are informed. Then we went back to Delhi, and the GOC from Shillong, they have sent the report that the garrison ground has been, because it has been declared as a golf field for the army officers, including army officers' wife. Then there are many programs, structure are there, which the army officers' wife association, they are running various kind of vocational training programs. And the last is that the GOC, few years ago, many years ago, they have sent recommendation to the central government, the Ministry of Defense, and this garrison ground has declared as an emergency landing ground. So that is the problem, that the land cannot be reverted back to the Laban Sports Club, to the civilian. So very happy that through as a party, BGP under the presidency of Rickman Mominji, so we met the defense minister, and we have got the permission and we have got the land to get it sanctioned, because due to your hard work, to your love and affection, your trust to me, where we used to interact by each other, how to push ahead the scheme to the government and how to get it sanctioned. Thank you so much. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangmaji, who have given me, it means you, all help, support in bringing up many developmental activities in my constituency. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Bah Sanbor. He is very close with me, and he has given me full support in giving his approval to all the proposal, my proposal, which I have recommended through the suggestion of the recommendation of an individual, Dorbarshno, various NGOs within my constituency, both in municipal area and within cantonment area.